Replaced 17 kilowatts, it was little too small. I had a professional electrician install my generator. It works great. It has an app that tells you when it tests itself and how long it has run for the month. It has only kicked on once during a storm. Cranked up within seconds of the electricity going off. Runs my entire house and 2 AC units. Great peace of mind. Everything was great from ordering to delivery. Was very impressed. I love the built-in load shedding feature in the transfer switch. This generator is being used as a whole home generator. Click on the link below to see price.